In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Salesforce with WordPress using Zapier. This process allows you to automate tasks between these two powerful platforms, enhancing your workflow and efficiency. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zapier homepage. Once there, you will see the option to sign in if you already have an account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to proceed with the integration. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create at the top of the page. This will lead you to a new screen where you can start building your Zap, which is the integration workflow between Salesforce and WordPress. After that, click on the Zaps tab on the left side of the screen. This section displays all the Zaps you have created or have access to. It is here that you can manage your existing Zaps or create a new one. Now type WordPress to Salesforce in the search bar. This action will help you find the correct Zap template to facilitate the integration between the two services. The search results will display relevant templates to choose from. Once this appears, click on the option that states Start Building. This will take you to the setup screen where you can define the specifics of your integration. At this point, click on WordPress from the list of available applications. This selection indicates that you are starting the integration process with WordPress as the trigger application. Now, you will need to select the trigger event. Click on the option that reads New Post. This specifies that the integration will trigger whenever a new post is published on your WordPress site. Next, click on Account to connect your WordPress account. This step is essential as it allows Zapier to access your WordPress site for the integration. You will see a prompt to log into your WordPress account if you have not done so already. Now click on Connect WordPress. This action will initiate the connection process between Zapier and your WordPress account. Follow any additional prompts to authorize the connection. After establishing the connection, click on Salesforce from the list of applications to integrate with. This step signifies that you are setting up the Salesforce side of the integration. Next, you will need to select the action event. Click on the option that states Create Lead. This choice determines what action Salesforce will take based on the trigger from WordPress. Now click on Account to connect your Salesforce account. As with the previous connection, you will need to log in to your Salesforce account if prompted to authorize the integration. Finally, click on Connect Salesforce to finalize the connection between Zapier and Salesforce. This step ensures that the integration is properly set up and ready to function as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.